Hello little friends, today we are learn A to Z and color name. Gray color, black color, blue color, peach pink color, dark green color, sky blue color, light green color, white color, yellow color, purple color, red color, brown color, pink color, orange color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Sky blue color. A, E for apple. A for apple. Orange color. B, B for banana. B for banana. Red color. C, C for cow. C for cow. Pink color. D, D for doll. D for doll. Yellow color. E, E for egg. E for egg. Light green color. F, F for fish. F for fish. Peach pink color. G, G for goat. G for goat. Blue color. H, H for hen. H for hen. Sky blue color. I, I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Orange color. J, J for jam. J for jam. Red color. K, K for kite. K for kite. Pink color. L, L for leaf. L for leaf. Yellow color. M, M for milk. M for milk. Light green color. N. N for nest. N for nest. Peace pink color. O. O for orange. O for orange. Blue color. P. P for pencil. P for pencil. Sky blue color. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Orange color. R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Red color. S. S for sun. S for sun. Pink color. T. T for train. T for train. Yellow color. U. U for unicorn. U for unicorn. Light green color. V. V for volcano. V for volcano. Peace pink color. W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. Blue color. X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Pink color. Y. Y for yellow color. Y for yellow color. Yellow color. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.